And since I didn't have enough money to get a lathe, I figured this would be a way that I can do the surface on the rotor. Now this is not even mounted. I gotta get the mounting bracket for that, and then what I'm thinking is some sort of caster wheel that can be like a scissor jack that can be adjusted so that it'll keep this nice and firm. Right now I don't want to go any further because I'm afraid one of these teeth will catch on here, throw this whole thing all over the place, and who knows what could happen. You guys have seen my other videos. I've done some pretty crazy shit. Yeah, so anyway, that's just a thought. I can run this with that deal there. Just press a button, it'll go a certain RPM. Just an idea. So I've been working on this this tarp system here, so I can start throwing trash out. So it's just basically, I was gonna make this part back here, but I was having some problems. Well, okay, I'll just leave it there. So I bought it instead. These things, I looked them up. The complete thing was like 900 bucks. I said, "Are you kidding me? I'll make that." In any case, I bought this, just this part right here. That was like 180, but it works. It works pretty good. So that way, when I'm going down the street, stuff won't be flying out. I just put this on right here. There we go. In any case, this is the 12 volt. Sorry, 24 volt. And since I don't, well, how can I put it? Yeah, I'm not gonna put a turbine up over here. It's a lot of work, and there's other plans in the work. So in any case, this one's done. I didn't know how to do this video except just do it. Got some really bad news. The 48 volt turbine that was going to John Day, I texted him and emailed him, told him it was ready, and I didn't get an answer. And I thought maybe he's sick, he might have COVID or something. And his brother called me up on his phone and told me he passed away, which man, that really hit me pretty hard. You know, you talk to a guy for years, and you get to know him even though it's not in person. And John Day, man, he was a great guy. Yeah, it's been what, week and a half, and I'm still feeling it. I couldn't believe it when his brother told me. You know, he was in a wheelchair and he had a speech problem, and my father, you know, also has a speech problem. He's had a stroke. So I learned to, you know, put a close ear, and we carry on a pretty good conversation. And he always had a great attitude, you know, even being in a wheelchair. I mean, the guy always had a good attitude, always laughing, you know, when we talked on the phone. Yeah, so it really, you know, that, and the situation with my son, he's in a shelter right now. So yeah, it's been tough having to adjust to all these changes, but you know, you gotta keep going. So in any case, if nothing comes out of this, then I'll probably end up putting them on eBay. I would like to have put one up to show the power output. There's really nothing out there like it. I've been looking at some prices on 4.5 kilowatt, 5 kilowatt wind turbine, and it's up there. And they don't really, you know, they don't really do that. There's nothing like an Axial Flux. And I mean, I can show, I've got a lot of websites, you know, they claim, and they talk about RPM as usual. They don't say miles per hour. So you gotta, you know, do the research and punch in RPM, 2 miles per hour to know exactly what's going to happen, you know. I mean, who does RPMs? When you get an anemometer, it gives you the miles per hour. And the anemometer that I use is the, oh gosh, I got one up here. I don't have it. That's not where it's supposed to be, but I just put it up for the heck of it. You know, the Sigma Sport. And these things update, I believe it's every 30 seconds. Versus these other units, which update like, I don't know, every minute. Or I think it updates every second. I'm not sure, you know, honestly. I got so much going on. Surprisingly, I can remember my own name. In any case, yeah, I put up a video showing what the 24 volt could do, because that's what I had at Barstow. And since I can't have one up here, or I won't put one up, so that I can't have one, I put that old video instead so that people could see what kind of output these turbines can make. And I know from the past there's been a lot of, and I'm making this video too long, there's been a lot of controversy with these small turbines claiming they can make this huge power. They still do. And a lot of people have gotten turned off by it. They said, you know what, forget it. But, you know, we're starting to get some pretty decent winds over here for days and days. So it's starting to look like a good sight. In any case, I'm making this video too long. So, rest in peace, John Day. All right, you guys take care.